In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose the best solution using an attribute matrix. Basically, after you have come up with two different presentation sketches, um, you're going to need to pick the optimal design, the one that is most likely to succeed, the one that is likely to meet the design brief the best. If you remember our design brief for this, it is to make the fastest CO2 car. Okay, so in this group, their first presentation sketch looks like this. The second presentation sketch done by the other partner looks like this. And now they need to choose a solution. Engineers use something called an attribute matrix. The attribute matrix is the table on the left there. Basically, what you do is list some criteria that you can compare the two ideas with. So the criteria being compared here is the aesthetics or appearance, which car will be more aerodynamic, which car will be easier to build, which one will be heavier or lighter, or mass, and which one is going to take most time to make. And what you do is rate each criteria on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being better, so and 1 being worse. So aesthetic wise here, idea 1 was better than idea 2. In terms of ease of build, the group must have decided that this design, which is somewhat simpler than this design, was better because it scored, idea 2 scored higher. And so what you want to do is go down the criteria, give each one a rating 1 to 5, and it's almost a way of organizing your thoughts. And you should be discussing with your partner back and forth about each criteria to figure out which one is going to have the higher total score. So you could see for this group that idea 2 was better than idea 1 because it scored at 18 instead of 17. After you do the matrix, you can take a second and kind of summarize what you talked about in a paragraph here and make a summary of why, make a further justification as to why one idea is better than the other.